it died again.
Storm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 694 has been issued until 6 a.m. Central Daylight Time Sunday for the following county: Bowie, Texas, and the following counties in
if it was
Arkansas,
for Cass
Hempstead,
County.
Howard, Lafayette, Little River, Miller, Nevada, Pike and Sevier, and McCurtain,
Oklahoma.